Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at speed versus time, distance. Now this question is giving us some information about a motorbike that is speeding up, it's accelerating up to a speed of 60 kilometers an hour, keeping that, maintaining, and then decelerating to rest, right? That's 0 kilometers an hour. Now the thing about the graph on the right, the speed over time graph, is that the area underneath the graph, right, that blue line, is equal to the distance. So the distance is equal to the area of the shape on the right, which is a trapezium. Distance is given, it's 435. We're trying to find out what x is. Right now, x is one of the sides of the trapezium. The area of a trapezium is equal to width 1, width 2, over 2, multiplied by h. So here we got width 1, width 2. So 5 plus x over 2 times by the height here, right, going from 0 up to 60. All right, first thing I want to do, I'm going to try and, this is a linear equation now, so I'm going to move, just going to pull that over here, come back to that graph later. So I'm going to move the 60 over, 435 divided by 60, 7.25. Times it by 2. Subtract 5 from it. (9.5) is equal to x. Well, now we're going to interpret that. What does that mean? X refers to the number of hours. So, what was the total duration? 9.5 hours. In this next question, we're actually given the total distance, and we are asked to find the duration of the trip. Now I can see that the duration of the trip is 2 lots of x. Right, we go for x hours and then another lot of x hours. But what is that? Well, I can see 2 things about this graph, and remembering that the distance traveled, 140 kilometers, is equal to the area under the curve. I've got one shape there, looks like a triangle. I've got another shape here, which is a trapezium. So, the area of the triangle, let's make a little triangle there, plus the area of the trapezium is equal to the distance, which is 140. Right, I've got my trapezium here, my triangle here. Area of a triangle, half base times height. Well, the base is x, and the height is 20. All right, I can see that looking here and looking down here. Adding that to W1, right, this side here, adding this to this, so that's 20, 100, over 2, times the height, this one's on its side, so that's that distance there, which is x. So that becomes 10x, half times 20. So we get 120 divided by 2 is 60x, equal to 140. 10x plus 60x is 70x. X is equal to 140 divided by 70, or 2. Therefore, 2x is equal to the duration. I substitute in 2 for x, and I get 4 hours, spell that right, 4 hours in total.